In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set work hours for auto classification in MileIQ. By the end, you'll have a clear, reliable schedule that tells MileIQ when to automatically tag your drives as work-related, so you spend less time swiping and more time focusing on what matters. First, open a web browser and access your account at the MileIQ web dashboard. Sign in with your regular credentials. Using the web dashboard gives you the full scheduling view, which makes setting and reviewing your hours straightforward. Once you're in, look to the left-hand menu. Click on Settings, then select Auto Classification. This is where MileIQ decides when to apply automation based on the hours you define. Think of it as a rulebook for your driving day. During your work hours, drives are automatically treated as business, and outside those hours, they won't be. At the top of this page, enable work hours by sliding the toggle to Yes. This turns on the feature. From this point forward, MileIQ will start using your schedule to help classify your trips automatically, reducing manual corrections. Now it's time to define your schedule. If your workday is the same across your work week, click on the time range and set your start and end times. This applies a single, consistent window to all your workdays. For example, if you typically work from 9 to 5, set that once and you're done. Be sure the start and end times reflect your real routine, accounting for your time zone. If your hours vary by day or you have split shifts, click the option that says I have a more complex schedule. Here you can assign unique times to individual days or add multiple shifts on the same day. This is especially helpful if, say, you work mornings and evenings with a break in between. Create 2 blocks to mirror that pattern. Take a moment to double-check each day's entries so there are no gaps or overlapping times you didn't intend. Accurate entries here mean fewer corrections later. When everything looks correct, click Save to apply your new schedule. Your settings are now active, and MileIQ will use them to auto-classify drives during those periods. If your routine changes in the future, come back to this same page and update your hours so the automation stays aligned with your work life. That's it. Your work hours for auto classification in MileIQ are set, and your mileage tracking just got a lot smarter and simpler.